Assalamualaikum everyone and hi, my name is NUBLI and I am from group 9.
Hi, my name is AINA.
Hi everyone, my name is ELYSIA.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shariham. We are from Fiti TV show.
Cheese is popular food and known worldwide. I am sure everyone here has either heard or even tasted cheese. So now my group going to explain more about cheese. Cheese may has been discovered accidentally by the practice of storing milk in container made from ruminant stomach around 10,000 years ago. Enzyme rennet which naturally present in the ruminant stomach coagulate casein in the milk to produce cheese. People in the past produced and enjoyed a wide variety of cheeses. Cheese varies in characteristics including aroma, flavor, texture, color, presence of mold, and qualities. Cheese is valued due to its firmness and long lifespan. Hard cheese like Parmesan contains low moisture, thus have longer lifespan. Soft cheese which contain high moisture have short lifespan and must be consumed in short time duration after being produced. Cheese contains high level of vitamin A and B12 along with zinc, phosphorus and riboflavin. It is good source for calcium, protein and fat. Cheese that made from milk or 100% grass-fed animals is the highest in nutrient and contain omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin K2. Next, I'm going to let my groupmates AINA to explain more about microorganism principle of cheese.
Yes, of course. Thank you for the question. So, I will explain to you about the principle of microorganism in the product. Microbes give impact to the flavor, smell and texture of cheese. Microbes have range of metabolic capacity and through the production of digestive enzyme. Microbes also contribute to the distinct character of a cheese. The differences in microbiodiversity result in tangible changes in flavor, odor, texture, and color of cheese. Let's see some examples of the microbes that used to produce cheese. First, we have lactic acid bacteria. This microbe play the main role in changing the basic milk, sugar, and lactose into lactic acid, lower cheese pH, and make the cheese inhospitable to many spoilage organisms. Did you know they are often called as starter culture? There are two main families of lactic acid bacteria. They are Lactococcus, that common lactic acid bacteria used to make cheese like cheddar, and Lactobacilli, commonly used in Swiss and Alpine cheese. Streptococci play an important role in initial cheese ripening. Streptococcus salivarius SSP thermophilus is used in cheese like mozzarella. Next, propionic acid bacteria. These bacteria, specifically Propionobacter shermani, are able to digest acetic acid and convert it to sharp, sweaty smelling propionic acid and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide gives emmental and other Swiss cheeses like characteristics like whole. Mold. There are two types of mold that are found on cheese, that are white and blue mold. White mold, which are found on the outside of all types of soft ripened cheese, are Penicillium camemberti. It produces enzymes that break down the milk protein of the curd, leading to the characteristic ripened layer surrounding a firm interior. In many of these cheese, the ammonia is also a byproduct of this breakdown, and so it is advisable to let cheese breathe in order to let the highly unstable ammonia to dissipate. Two species of blue mold that are P. roqueforti and P. gallicum. Blue mold also frequently grow on the surface of good cheeses like Montenegro cheese. I think that's all from me about the principle of microorganism in the products. Before that, I think all of you also wondering about the process making cheese, right? Is it difficult? Is it hard to make it? For not wasting any time, I will invite Alicia to discuss about the process of making cheese.
Thank you, Anna, for your invitations. As a cheese lover, the process of making cheese is important. Thus, today I am here to talk about the process of making cheese. Making cheese need to have an optimum temperature and condition. There are a total of 8 steps, but depends on what cheese you are making. The first step is to producing cheese is to preparing the milk. As we know, cheese is originate from milk, but what milk can we use? Actually, various milk sources from sheep milk, goat milk, buffalo milk, and commonly cow milk can be used. Then the milk used need to have a correct protein to fat ratio by using the heating or pasteurization process. Then the second step is acidification of the milk, which will turn the lactose into lactic acid. The milk can be acidified by direct or indirect method. After that, the starter culture is added. This process is done when the milk pH is lower than 7. For the third step is coagulation, which will help the casein micelle stick together. Rennet, which is a coagulant, is mixed into the liquid milk until forming a gel form. Then, for the fourth step is the curding and whey process. After successfully coagulating the milk, the curd are the byproduct of the coagulating milk, and the residue left is in the liquid form is known as whey. Rennet will inactive the protein kappa casein into para-kappa casein. Then, for the fifth step, is the curd will be cut by using the knife and a rag. The residue, which is the well, will drain away. Then, the cheese, which is the curd, is formed. Furthermore, the step states is to add flavor into the cheese, such as a brim or salt, to enhance the taste and period of freshness of the cheese. Then, the seventh step is the cheese is shaped or molded into various sizes according to your preference. Lastly, for the last step, which is the step 8, the aging process is conducted until the cheese reach optimal ripeness. Then, the cheese is formed. Okay, then you guys curious what dish can be made from cheese? Mr. SYAHRIL, can you share about more?
Thank you, Miss Alicia, for your question. Cheese widely used in daily life, especially in cooking. Many different varieties of cheese are used to make a wide range of cheese-based food. In Malaysia, cheese is very high in making pizza, cake, salads, burger, and other foods. Mozzarella is one of the most widely used and popular cheese globally, whether on pizza or pasta. It is from southern Italy, usually made with buffalo milk. However, it may also made with cow or sheep milk. It has a milk flavor and a soft, cheesy texture, and it is often used in baked dishes like lasagna and pizza. In addition, mozzarella cheese may be used for sandwich and even salad when it is fresh. Next, cheddar cheese is a high protein cheese that is also high in calories, so you should eat in moderation. It is named after a town in England called Cheddar. Cheddar cheese is smooth in texture and well aged. This cheese flavor sharpen and get more salt and acidic as it matures. Cheese, cauliflower pasta, cheese toast, and cheese and grilled chicken are just a few of the grilling aperitifs and main course that can be made with this cheese. On the other hand, cottage cheese is a prevalent form of cheese from India. It's made from full cream milk, cultured and then totally drained, and it's nutrient-dense, declared, and easy to digest. It has a plentifully sweet flavor and may be used in various Indian recipes, include panna tikka salad, cheese penne, and palak penne. Parmesan cheese, which is grated and used as a culinary topping, and cream cheese is a soft and delectable fresh cheese made from milk and cream, are two more types of cheese. Feta cheese made from goat milk and a soft texture, a salty flavor, and is more perforate. Furthermore, do you know its cheese can have many benefits to us? Cheese is good for one health when eaten in moderation. Calcium, fat, and protein are perfectly in cheese. Vitamin A and B2 as well as zinc, phosphorus, and riboflavin are abundant in the milk. The most nutrient-dense cheese contain omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin K2 in prepared for 100% grass-fed cow milk. According to several studies, cheese and dairy products in general may aid cavity prevention. According to a 2050 Danish study, children who consume more dairy than the norm for 3 years had few cavities. Conjugate layering acid, or CLA, is a complex fatty acid that is often overlooked. Because of the popularity of the low-fat and no-fat diets, most Americans ingest very little CLA. It comes from grass-fed cows, sheep, and goats, and may be found in dairy and meat. That's all for me. Thank you, everyone.
Cheese is widely produced in many flavors and textures. It contains important minerals which are essential to proper functioning of human body. Basically, milk is fermented into finished cheese. Milk is inoculated into lactic acid producing bacteria. Then the milk coagulates to form solid milk curd. The milk curd then goes through several processes until cheese is produced. Originally, cheese relied upon naturally occurring lactic acid bacteria in the milk, but nowadays the process is standardized with addition of domesticated bacteria culture. Nowadays, cheese is being used increasingly as an ingredient in a wide variety of foods. For example, cheese is popularly used as topping in pizza. So guys, don't forget to enjoy cheese as it is healthy and also delicious.